Hey guys, so we just got our car back from Exclusive Wraps and they did an awesome job on the wrap. So now we've got a bunch of goodies from some friends of ours. So we got a set of AT Extremes from Toyo Tires, and we got a set of ROH wheels, and these are their flow forged GVM Plus wheels. We also got all our bar workers come from Opposite Lock, and our friends over at Equip It helped us out with the Tough Dog suspension. So get stuck into it and we'll get it all together.